Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to teach you how to fix PS5 error code CE-100095-5, or you can't start the game or the app. So the PS5 error CE-100095-5 is a software related error. So this means that there was a problem when you tried to run the game or application, preventing you from playing the particular game. So what can we do to fix this? First, what we can do is to simply check PSN servers. The first thing you should do before making any changes to your PS5 is to verify the PSN or the PlayStation Network status to make sure all services are functioning properly. You can check the current status of its services by going to the PlayStation's server status page, and if the PSN is currently down, then you'll need to wait for their team to resolve the issue. However, if there are no issues with the PlayStation Network servers, you can proceed with the next methods to fix the CE-100095-5 error code. So the next way is to restart your PS5 console and router. So an easy way to fix the error is to restart the PS5 console and router. So it is often used to troubleshoot some common problems on device. You can just press the hold power button to shut down the console completely, and then wait until the power light stops blinking, and then just plug in the power cord. After about 20 minutes, replug the power cord and then turn on the PS5. So PS5 not launching games or applications can also occur when the router signal is poor. So restart your router and try bring your system close to PS5. You will get a strong signal for the stable internet connection. And after restarting the console and router, check if the error is gone. If it still persists, you should move on to the next fix. So the next fix is to install on the internal SSD. If you are running the game on internal hard drive, it is best to install it on a PS5 internal SSD, as your PS5 external hard drive can fail. So data corruption and performance issues can occur when the PS5 external drive is not functioning properly. So when you have any performance issues with games or apps on PS5 running on an external hard drive, it is always recommended that you install games on PS5 internal hardware. Next is to delete and reinstall the game or the app. So many PS5 users have reported that removing the specific game that caused the PS5 error CE-100095-5 may also fix it. So to do so, just follow this simple step. Just go to your settings and then storage, and in the left pane, just select console storage, and in the right pane, select games and apps. Step 3 is to choose the game that needs to be reinstalled and then select delete. Next is to download and install the game or application again. Then you can check whether the game or application runs properly. Next is to update your PS5 system software. So Sony is constantly releasing updates for the PS5 console to fix bugs and improve performance. Therefore, it is always recommended that you keep your PS5 system software up to date. When you encounter the PS5 error or this error, you should also check for available system updates. So if your PS5 console is connected to the correct network, you can easily update your PS5 system software through settings. And alternatively, you can update the PS5 software from a USB drive. The second option is always useful when your PS5 is not working. So here, presented on the screen, is the steps that you can do in both options. The steps that you should do. You can choose from this option right here. You can go to option 1 and option 2. You can simply click pause, and then follow the steps that is flashed on the screen. Next is to rebuild database. So rebuilding the PS5 database is your fourth method of trying to fix the PS5 CE-100095-5 error. So you should rebuild your PS5 database regularly, especially after installing any games or apps and their update. So the good thing about rebuilding the PS5 database is that it fixes any corrupt files in the system data and generally cleans the SSD, which helps get faster and more responsive performance from the console, and it doesn't delete any existing games or files. So if you have such corrupted files on your PS5 console that the game freezes and crashes frequently, rebuilding the PS5 database is very important or very useful. You just need to start the PS5 console in a safe mode and then select Rebuild Database. The rebuild process may take several hours, then you need to restart the console. So that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.